Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this very nice 3D cup in Blender, and I'm going to show you step by step. It's very easy, so let's get into it. So we'll start with the cube, but we'll delete it. Click Shift A and choose a cylinder like this. Now we can click Tab, and here you can see we are in edit mode. Click 2 and click Alt and select this loop and click S so we can scale it down, something like this. Okay, now click 3 and click X and we'll delete faces, and we're going to delete this face too. Now click number 2 and click Alt and select this loop, and we're going to click E plus S to extrude this a bit and click F. Now we have this. Now we're going to add solidify modifier. So over here we go to solidify and we can put it to around, let's say here. Okay, select this and click space to add shade smooth, and you have this. Now we're gonna click Shift A and add torus. Click R plus X to rotate it around X axis. Now enter wireframe mode by clicking Z, and we are going to delete half of the faces. And over here. Cool. Return back to solid mode. We can scale this down, and we're gonna put this over here. Make sure this is not positioned properly, like this. And click on this object, torus, click space and add shade smooth. And we have this. We can tweak this up a bit. Go here, add modifier, and click subdivision surface if you want to increase it a bit, let's say to number 3. But over here we'll have this. So click number 3, we're gonna delete faces, and click number 2 to select this edge loop. Click space and type grid fill. And you have this. Now we can modify this a bit like this. Rotate it. We're just playing with the positions over here, but I think that's it. Yeah. So we have a very nice 3D cup in Blender. Hope you liked this tutorial. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.